Guys, do an unboxing from JC Motors. See there, JC Motors, just covering up my address. And we have a slip-on here. Alright, let's get it. Alright. Some nice packaging there.
It's a big one.
We have a Big Gun Slip-On Eco ES
Serious.
for my LTZ 2003 LTZ 400. Pretty sick.
We're gonna have it.
And see if there's anything else in there. And just more packaging. Alright. Let's see. No, don't get her open. Nice and white.
Spark your wrister.
What a beauty. Smells new too. Look at the beautiful brand. $185. $185 from JC Motors. Motorsport, I think. Yeah, that's it.